Are you looking to level up your marketing automation with Process.st? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to use this powerful tool to streamline your marketing efforts, boost productivity, and save time, all while ensuring your processes are consistent and efficient. Process.st is a workflow management software that's perfect for automating repetitive tasks in your marketing campaigns. Whether you're managing content creation, email marketing, or social media outreach, this tool helps you keep everything organized with a clear structure. It lets you create, manage, and automate any process, making your workflow smoother and more scalable. First, you can start by creating a process template. For marketing automation, this could be something like a blog post creation process, from brainstorming topics to publishing. Once your process is set, you can automate it so that every time you create a new blog post, all the necessary tasks are triggered automatically. You can set up notifications, assign team members, and even track completion progress to make sure nothing falls through the cracks. Let's dive into how you can actually set this up. In Process.st, after you create your process template, you can add tasks for each step. For example, if you're automating your email marketing process, your template might include tasks like write email copy, design email layout, and schedule sending time. You can even add conditional logic to make sure tasks are only assigned when certain criteria are met. This allows for a highly customizable, automated workflow that adapts to your needs. Process.st's checklists are where the magic happens. You can break down complex marketing tasks into simple, actionable steps. By checking off each step, you ensure that no part of your process is skipped, whether it's reviewing a campaign or getting final approval before launching. These checklists can be integrated with other apps you're using, like Slack or Google Sheets, to give you full control and visibility over your campaigns. If you want to go a step further, you can integrate Process.st with other marketing tools you're already using. For example, you can sync it with your email service provider or CRM, so when you update a contact list or launch a campaign, those actions are automatically reflected in your Process.st workflow. This integration ensures your marketing automation works seamlessly across all platforms. A key benefit of Process.st is the ability to track and measure the effectiveness of your processes. You'll get real-time analytics on each process, so you can see exactly where improvements need to be made and how much time each task takes. This data is invaluable when you're optimizing your marketing campaigns and striving for higher efficiency. Now here's something important. If you're just getting started, you can use Process.st for free. But through the link in the description below, you can unlock an exclusive and extended free trial to explore all of its features without any restrictions. By the end of this video, you'll see how Process.st can become your go-to solution for marketing automation, saving you hours and ensuring everything runs like clockwork. Remember, with our exclusive trial, you'll get a full hands-on experience without any upfront costs. Start using Process.st today to automate your marketing processes and watch your business grow.